So we are back for day 2 of this £200 challenge. If you haven't watched day 1, which was yesterday, I suggest you give it a watch, and it just explains why I'm raising some money for charity, why I'm doing this challenge, and also all this week I'm going to be practicing it using some money management plans and strategies. One of these strategies being this one here. It's called the Ballsy strategy, made up by Paul Taylor. I will hopefully be starting it today. I got my account balance from £200 to £222.50p. So I was hoping to get a £40 profit, and then I can start this money management plan, because ideally I would like to start this once I've made some profits. So if I do lose my first kind of strategy, level 1, let's say, it doesn't matter because I've only lost profits. I haven't lost my initial balance of £200. So I'm up £22 at the minute, so let's get a few more trades in, and let's carry on with this. I am using the pullback, or I'm using the crossover strategy, because I think it's a very kind of easy and simple strategy. 1 2 3 4 5. I just think it's an easy strategy to learn, and it's very simple as well. I can kind of explain to you as I'm doing it what's happening. So at the minute I've got no signals. EURUSD looks like it's just crossing down here, which looks interesting. USD CAD is going down, AUD is going up, and USD JPY is just crossed over, and it looks like we're now going into an uptrend with USD JPY. So what I'm going to do, everyone, is I'm going to pause the video, and I'm going to come back when I get a signal arrow, and then we can jump into some more trades. So I'll be back. Okay, I've just got my first signal on USD CAD. Hoping for, hold on, USD CAD. And I'm going to do a £10 trade again. I just want to see what happens. Not a signal yet, because if you watched yesterday's video, I need the stochastics to be overbought, and it isn't at the minute. So I'm not going to be taking that trade. Okay, we just crossed over now. Let me see some kind of, I think the price, I'm going to take it down. Investment, 5 minute, down. All right, I'm in. So, and I've got a signal as well on AUD USD. So I might take a trade here. Let me just write my balance down. So we're currently up £22.50. Okay, from a £200 account. So AUD is also giving me another signal. AUD, and I'm going to see what happens now. I think this might keep on going down for a while. Okay, we're down. Let's see what the next candle does. I think this might keep dropping a bit. Oh no. It's like, no, it's like tense, this is. Seeing what this next candle does, and then I'll make a decision. Hold on, my phone's going off. Right, it's dropping again. So that means then no, I don't like that trade. I don't like that trade, so I'm leaving it. USD CAD is out of the money. Now it's dropped back into the money. So what's UD? I might jump in I might jump in this trade. Whatever, let's just jump in it. Who, you know, worst comes to worst, I'll martingale it. So it doesn't really particularly matter. Technically, I should take this trade because it meets the rules, but I don't like this. Here's an example, right? I don't particularly like, even though this trade meets the rules, right? I don't like it because of the fact that we had such a massive drop. Look, we've got 4 red candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we get 4 red candles in a row like that, it normally means that the market's very bearish now, right? It's like it's bounced off resistance line. Let me change this to here. It's almost like the price has just bounced straight off the resistance line and just dropping. So, you know, when you've got 4 big red candles like this, yeah, it's like you're kind of trading against the market. So this is why it's a risky trade, and I don't particularly like it. We've got 1 minute to go on USD CAD. Hopefully this drops. I've got my pen, I'm going to write this down. So £200, £22.50. Okay. $20 seconds to go. What I'll do, everyone, is I'll pause the video and I'll come back in a couple of minutes. Right, so 22 seconds to go, and this one is nicely into the money, which is good. I've got a signal now against myself, but we have just won. I'm going to write this down. £7.50. Okay, and now we've got another. Well, this one's going to come into nicely. Nice from that signal arrow. Nice, nice, nice. You can see here. Beautiful signal arrow, and Stochastics was oversold, but again, I didn't like the initial trade because it was against us. Okay, I've got another signal now on Euro USD. Does this meet the rules? Yeah. Okay, downtrend. Right, now I've got to wait for the Stochastics to be oversold on that one. So what's this? Euro USD. Euro USD, Euro USD. I might up the trades. I might go to £20 trade and see what happens. Okay, we've got no signal arrow. We've got no signal arrow. Stochastics overbought, but no signal arrow. So, do I take this trade? No, I won't. I like my signal arrow. So this one is going to be a nice winner. So that will give me another £7.50. Okay. So now what I'm going to do now is hopefully Euro USD pops a signal. So I go back over here we go. So I'm going to start upping the trade size now. We'll see what happens. Okay, that's a winner. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In fact, I might jump into a signal here. Yeah, I've just jumped into it. Now, this is a prime example of I've just broken my rules. I haven't waited for a signal arrow on Euro USD, but oh, we've got a signal arrow now. Perfect. It was like I almost predicted that signal arrow was going to come. Right, that's good. That's good. So we're already in this trade anyway, so we'll see what happens. What I'll do, everyone, is I'll pause the video and I'll come back. Right, so less than 1 minute to go, and this Euro USD trade is going to be nice. Look at this. Nice, 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 nice. We've got a nice curve now. Look at this. Perfect. Trend down, pull back, trend down. Pretty much simple. So I'm going to win on this one £15. So already we are up. Let me write this down. £15. Get my calculator out, and £7.50 plus £7.50 plus 15 quid. So we're up £30 today plus £22.50 from yesterday. We are now up £52.50, which is very good. In fact, I've got another signal as well on. No, I'm not going to take that one. I'm not going to take that. 3, 2, 1. Nice, 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 nice. I haven't got any more setups at the minute. Everything is going sideways. In fact, I'm going to leave that there at the minute because nothing's happening, right? AUD USD is in an uptrend, clear uptrend, so that's not going to be a crossover anytime soon. USD JPY, again, it's a downtrend. I don't see that crossing anytime soon. We are going down with that one. Euro USD, again, we've just had our first crossover, so you know that's going to carry on going into a downtrend. And USD CAD is downtrend, but it's going sideways. See, that's going sideways, so I'm not interested in that. So I will leave that there. And I might actually start my ballsy strategy. Let me just Google something. Percentage gains. Right, so we have, let me just work this out, increase from £200 and we are now sitting at £52.50. So £52.50. It is a gain of, oh, I've done that wrong. It's £252.50. And we are now up 26% in 2 days. Again, this is low risk. I think tomorrow's trading session is going to be when I start doing this ballsy strategy. In fact, nah, I could get in here actually. Should I get in here? I could try and get in here. Should we do a ballsy strategy now? Try and do a £40 trade and see what happens? No. No, price has just dropped. No, it's not worth it. So yeah, okay, tomorrow I might start this challenge, £40. But you see, the thing is, if you do this strategy, you're taking one trade and it has to be a winner. It has to be. So so the pressure is on tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.